Hey guys, wanted to share really quickly an idea on where I see Bitcoin going possibly in the next 2 weeks. This is by no means financial advice. Please do not trade any money based off of this idea. Um, Again, it's just my idea, and you've got to do your own research and due diligence before investing any money. So let's just get right into it. This is going to be a just quick analysis based on fibs and market psychology, human psychology. So let's just look at what we got here. Got this stupid trend line from the 17 top to the 19 top just coming down. This vertical line is an approximate date of the halving. Could probably go a little bit further. Actually, I don't think May 8th is the right. May 10th should probably be good. I guess May 10th is not an option, so we'll just leave May 11th. And this purple box right here is where I could see Bitcoin hitting before the halving. I would be surprised if it kept on going up and hit this after the halving. I'm expecting whatever the top price to be for this little bounce, well, this humongous bounce, it's a monster fucking bounce, to hit before the halving and then come down after the halving. So if we look at this move here as one completed move and do the fibs on that from the 17 top to the 18 bottom. Again, this to me was a bounce off of that. I mean, this is a monster move, monster bounce, but looks like a bounce nonetheless. That landed right in the golden zone. 618 to 65 right there. The next piece, this bounce, we look at that as one move. We take the fib of that. This next bottom was pretty much in this golden zone right here. Now if we look at this piece right here as the next move, where is this guy? This guy pretty much bounced at the 0.5, and I bought this bounce and I didn't sell it and got completely fucked. But as you can see, these fibs are being super respected. Another fib to respect. I didn't do this guy from this move right here. This being one move. Little over the 0.5, pretty much the 0.5. And that's where it bounced. So fibs are being just super respected. Now if we look at this as a completed move, right? Where does that take us? Golden zone is right here. Let me show you why I'm not keeping this one as the top. If we just look at the bigger picture and look at this guy as the completed move, here to here, that is the golden zone right there, 10,000. And I'll give you a little bit more reasons as to why I think that's the top, but this move right here, this guy that I just drew the fib on, this is a smaller representation of this. The when we did the fibs on this bounce went to the 618. When we got the fibs right on this guy, this bounce, since I'm seeing it as just an identical smaller move, um, I can see it going to the point 618 here. Let's just look at a couple more reasons why. So right now, a lot of people I don't think are actually in the market. A lot of retail I don't think is in the market. A lot of people got either liquidated or they sold on this move down. And they haven't bought back in because I think this entire time they've been expecting for it to just roll over at some point, and it's like teased and acted as if it was going to roll it, but it hasn't rolled over. It's actually continuing to go up right now. And a lot of people have not bought back in. And if a lot of people are waiting for lower prices, the market does not give you what you want, because the design of the game is to move the money from your pockets to the game designer's pockets. So it's not going to go in the direction that everybody's thinking. So right now, a lot of people are wanting lower prices. Right now, a lot of people are just hoping for lower prices because they've missed this entire move. This move so far has been humongous. A lot of people are waiting to short right here, the 8,000 level, because that's the 618 of this move. There's way too many people waiting to short. There's way too many people wanting to short, looking for shorts, and I don't think that that's the one. What I see as a possibility is this guy going here. It may or may not go down. I think it might go down just to let them load up on their shorts, and then it's got to just rip right through and liquidate them. Because, again, the market is not here to help you win. You got to play the game according to the way the game designers play the game. So I see this going past 8,000. Next position is, well, we got the 0.786 at 91. There's also the CME gap at, I think it's at around 91. So there's that whole confluence of the CME gap and that 786 sitting there as well. And a lot of the bigger name, at least Twitter accounts, have 9.2 as their top target. If it goes through 8,000, this is the top target at 9,000, 9,100. That would be also a very, like, I don't just want to say the word obvious, but it would be more of an obvious position to short because it's the gap's filled. That's a 786. It just looks like a popular option to short, and these popular ones, it just doesn't happen like that, man. So I can also see this, doing this little 8,000 thing, going to 92. At this point, I don't know if it's really going to pull back, because when these violent, like the murder moves up happen, they just rip right up. And so it may do something like this. It may just keep on going straight up, but I see it's just got to, it'll probably give them an opportunity to put in their shorts. Whoever puts in shorts here would probably put up much heavier shorts than down here. And this would be just another liquidation that could just catapult this into this box right here. When you, at least for me, when I'm looking at this, the way that the game designers would want this to go would be to cause max pain. Right now, there's way too many people bearish, wanting lower prices, who are not in the market currently. There's too many people who want the shorts at 8,000 and at 9,000. And everybody's just wanting the price to go down, and it just cannot happen yet. We need those guys to flip bullish and to start longing. And man, I mean, this is just a painful game. Once this thing crosses 9,000, I see a lot of those bearish guys flipping bullish. Once this thing hits 10,000, I see everybody who has missed this entire run up want to buy that 10,000. That's just the way that this thing works, and it's unfortunate. It is such a painful game, and I hate to see people lose money. But you got to play the game accordingly. You've got to play the game according to the way that whoever has designed the game is playing it. So that to me would cause the max pain, and then the price would come down. How far down, I don't know, but as far as this bounce coming up, I see that, and I see that as the a possible final point for this. So just wanted to share that idea and the reasons why. I'm yet to share any ideas on crypto. I've been trading crypto for a couple years now, and like that's how I earn a living. I've had a bunch of people want me to help them. I just don't. I don't feel like I know enough to just spend someone else's or suggest for someone else to spend their money. I'd rather just spend it myself. But I wanted to put this out there because I see this as a very possible option, just based on history and really how the game is played. So I hope that this video has been of some entertainment, if nothing else. Please don't trade based just on this silly video. This is just trying to share an idea on a different way to look at how to look for options and possibilities. All right, guys. Good luck. Take care.